Hello, welcome to another video. Today, I'm going to show you how to use individual instructions like a pro in eFootball. Before we continue, please smash the like button and subscribe to not miss our future content.
Please help me.
The first instruction in Attack 1 is the defensive instruction. In this instruction, the selected player stays in their position and doesn't engage in attack for the purpose of defense. This works best for fullbacks. The next instruction is the attacking. This lets you choose what player can join the attack. This is best especially for left backs and right backs. The last instruction in attack category is the anchoring. This lets you choose a player to sit in their position, even when your team is attacking. This option is best for defensive midfielders to combat counters in case of a failed attack. The other instruction category is the defense. First in this is the tight marking, which lets you tightly mark a selected player of the opposition. This can only be selected during a match.
Please, no!
It's advised to mark forwards of the opponent. Next is the man-marking instruction that assigns your player to a specific player of the opposition. Assign a left back to mark a winger passing through his wing, like the right winger.
That's what she said.
The counter-target instruction. This option lets you assign a player to stay up front as you do the defending. This makes it easy to start counterattacks. The best players for this function are forwards with the speeding bullet ability.
Nice.
Lastly is the deep line instruction. But before I continue, subscribe to my channel if you're new for more content like this. The deep line instruction. This allows a player drop back and help defensively. This is suitable for defensive midfielders. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe.